How much toilet paper is too much for a single flush depends on the paper type, the plumbing age, and how the paper is folded or wodged. To manage safe flushing, start by using short single sheets or folding loosely so paper separates and disperses quickly in water. Modern 2-ply or 3-ply papers absorb and expand, so use fewer layers than with thin single-ply. For thick papers, 1 to 3 sheets usually suffice to clear liquid and soft waste. Older homes with cast iron or narrow drain pipes need extra caution because reduced slope and smaller diameter, slow flow, and increased clog risk, so flush more often with smaller amounts. Septic systems also deserve gentler handling. If you have a septic tank, avoid dense wads and favor breaking the paper apart in the bowl before flushing so bacteria can process solids efficiently. Public and low-flow toilets have weaker flush mechanisms, so 1 to 2 loosely folded sheets per flush is a safer habit there. When in doubt, perform a partial flush after an initial small amount, and then add more paper only if needed to avoid a single heavy load. Common mistakes include assuming all toilet papers behave the same, which leads to overloading the bowl. Fix this by testing a new brand with very small amounts before regular use. Another issue is folding or compacting paper into a dense wad, which delays breakup and can block traps. Avoid compact folding and instead loosely layer or tear into smaller pieces. A final mistake is relying on a single full flush for combined waste and paper in older or low-flow systems. Address this by flushing mid-use to divide the load and reduce strain on the trap and drain line. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share real-world advice about small systems like toilets. Our discussion community lets us and other users trade practical tips, ask follow-up questions, and find contractors looking for work.